Hey everyone, AI is going to take over jobs soon. It sounds unbelievable, but experts say that robots and artificial intelligence could replace human workers in as many as 50 major occupations in the next few years. I've got a full list, so stick with me. And I know, yes, it sounds crazy, but it is true. Drones might deliver your mail, AI doctors could diagnose you, and robots will be cooking up your burgers very soon. Heck, even accountants and traders aren't safe. But don't panic just yet. I have put together an initial list of the jobs most at risk from automation, so you can start preparing and learn how to future-proof your career and adapt to AI workforce. Head to wealthxproject.com/list to see the top 50 professions and service businesses likely to be replaced by AI. Be aware and get ahead of the curve. The robot takeover is coming. Be ready. Thanks, bye-bye.